In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new services in Zoho CRM. To get started, first open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you are logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct organization or workspace, especially if you manage more than one account. This helps avoid creating the service in the wrong place. Next, go to the Setup area. You can usually find this in the top right section of Zoho CRM. The Setup menu is where you manage advanced configurations, integrations, and system-level settings, so this is the right place for creating a new custom service. After opening Setup, move to the search bar within the Settings area and type in Connections. This search feature is useful because it helps you quickly find the exact setting you need without manually browsing through multiple sections. Once the Connections option appears, click on it to open the page. Inside the Connections section, look for Custom Services and click there. This area is specifically designed for creating services that can be used for integrations and external communication within Zoho CRM. If you're setting up a new connection for a custom workflow or API-related process, this is where the setup begins. Now click Create Service. This will open the form where you define the new service. In this section, enter the service name and the service link name. The service name should be clear and easy to recognize, since this is what helps you identify it later. The service link name is typically used internally, so it's a good idea to keep it simple, consistent, and free from unnecessary characters. After that, select the authentication type. This part is important because it determines how Zoho CRM will securely connect with the service. Depending on the type of service you're creating, you may see different authentication options. Choose the one that matches the requirements of the service you're setting up. Then continue by filling in any other necessary details requested on the screen. These settings may vary depending on the authentication method or service type, so review each field carefully before moving forward. Taking an extra moment here can help prevent connection issues later. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Create Service. Your new service will then be added to Zoho CRM and will be available for use in the appropriate connection or integration setup. And that's it. That's how to create new services in Zoho CRM.